This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating an odometer. Trust me, it will be incredibly simple. It starts by adding data. Click here. Since an odometer only displays one value, we will type the data manually. Instead of opening a file, type speed, followed by a comma and then type unit. Press enter to go from defining the field names to the actual data. Enter 90, kilometer per hour to populate your dataset. You have just entered a dataset that conforms to the comma-separated value syntax, meaning the columns are separated by commas. Click Add Data to include your data in the project. Click here to open the Picta dialog. Select the Gauge Picta. The gauge is loaded, however, to convert it into an odometer, we need to adjust the range. Enter 0 for the minimal value and 240 for the maximum value. 240 can be divided by 12, so let's choose 12 as the split number. This is the option most car manufacturers prefer. We now have a scale of 240 units, divided into steps of 20. As a finishing touch, we will add a progress indicator to the odometer. Enable progress and then click Show. A line is added to the odometer to indicate the vehicle's speed.